And not only is there one in Bastrop that they're trying to remove, there's also one I got reached out to afterwards by some folks in Lockhart, Texas, which is the barbecue. Well, these two families, 8 people, live in this, tiny attic. Guilt, although I actually think that is important and should be done, because of the culture sort of forces what they call denazification that unfortunately cost. We perpetuated a Holocaust here in America against the Aboriginal people, and what
So how, when I went to Monticello, what I'm trying to say is how
you're a coach, you're a parent, you're a young athlete, if you're anyone who's precipitated.
Hey, now that I have your attention, allow me to take this time to tell you. One good takeaway from all this COVID, Delta, Lambda, is that this thing, this virus, this sickness, it does not discriminate. It don't care if you're rich or poor, left or right, your political preference, whether you're entitled or you're humble, it don't give a sh. What it does care about is how you take care of your body and that mind of yours. There's a big talk about people not getting the jab or getting the jab, how it helps you fight off the sickness, but it does not guarantee you any immunity. People still being stubborn and not following protocol. So what's the point? Point is, we can't control any of that. But what we can control is how we take care of our bodies. Enough of that bullshit. A year has passed. I think it's high time we take ownership of our health and put it on a pedestal. So if you can, and if you have the time, pass this message on and encourage someone to be more healthy. And of course, exercise. Also, if you feel generous and have any extra to spare, I urge you to help someone out in need. And if you can, help a dear friend of mine. Her friend is Ruby Jane. She's diagnosed with myoma and is currently confined at Maria Reina Hospital due to excessive bleeding. She has undergone blood transfusion twice already, and then she's supposed to undergo a major operation. Several tests need to be performed, but unfortunately, these tests are put on hold as of the moment since she tested positive with COVID. You may send your financial support to this account right here, or this one right here. It's in the notes below. Any contribution is a big difference, more than any financial aid. And if you can't, it's really okay. We'll at least do your part, be responsible, and live a healthy lifestyle, and encourage someone to do as well today.